I love my car, and I like to make sure it's always well taken care of. But last month the battery died, and the replacement battery cost a small fortune. Luckily, there's now a way to revive old used batteries with easy battery reconditioning. So instead of going out and buying new expensive batteries, you can recondition and reuse your old batteries instead. With easy battery reconditioning, I was able to easily revive my car battery all by myself. It was simple and quick to do. And now, there's no need to buy a new expensive battery anymore because I can reuse my old battery instead. Oh, and this also works on other household batteries too, like power tool batteries and even old marine batteries. Click the link below now to find out how to revive your old used batteries. So stop wasting money buying new, overpriced batteries. Click the link below now and learn how to recondition and reuse your used batteries instead.